Good morning, students. Hi, hello, students. Good morning. Now, in previous class, we are discussing about set chapter based on different types of sets to solve so many problems. Okay. Now, here today I am going to deal with again by using union and intersection of two sets to solve value-based problems. To solve value-based problems, that is word problems. Okay. Now here practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. That is important. They will ask in final exam. Each question carries 2 or 3 marks. Very simple result. Okay. Now here by using union and intersection of two sets. Now here first result, that is most important. Just remember that statement only. Prove that n of A union B, n number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of set B minus number of A intersection B. Most important formula, remember. Prove that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. Prove that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, now before proving that result, just you must know the some basic ideas for Venn diagram. Venn diagram, arrow diagram. So sets are denoted by, represented by ovals, that is circles, and universal set is represented by rectangular box. Now universal set, main set denoted by U, which is represented by box. This is main set U. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು. Then set A and set B represented by circle. This is set A, this is set B. Sets ಅನ್ನ oval shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Universal set ಅನ್ನ box. Okay. ಈಗ now here draw union of two sets in Venn diagram. Venn diagram ನಲ್ಲಿ union of two sets ಹೇಗೆ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? To represent union of two sets in Venn diagram, you take one simple example. See, A is a set consisting of A, B, C, 4 elements, right? B is a set consisting of C, D, P, Q. Okay. Then A union B. To find A union B, A union B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A, B, C, D, P, Q. Combination of both the sets. ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. That is main set, universal set U. So to represent that union of two sets in Venn diagram, how to represent it? Look here. This is universal set, box U. ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದವು? A, B, C, D, P. ಹೌದಾ? Now take two sets. One is A set and the one is B set. Now definition of union is what? For every element such that each element belongs to set A or belongs to set B or belongs to both the sets. So how to draw? This is A set. This is B set. A set contains A, B, C, D. B set contains C, D, P, Q. This is common. ಯಾವುದು? C, D common ಇದೆ. ಇದು common. ಇದು A, B, here P. This is union of two sets. This is union of two sets. This is diagram for union of two sets. Clear? A set or A, B, C, D. B set or C, D, P, Q. C, D common ಇದೆ, but intersect ಆಗಿದೆ. Clear? This is diagram of A union B. Right? Then A intersection B. How to draw this? A intersection B. Main set U, universal set. Take two sets. This is A set, then this is B set. A intersection B. Intersection is common element. Common element will intersect. See, this is that part is A intersection B. That part is A intersection B. That A intersection B is C comma D. That shaded portion, ideal shaded portion ideyala, that portion is intersection portion. This is A intersection. Clear? Next, find A minus B. Write difference of two sets to represent in Venn diagram. A minus B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is A minus B? A minus B means what? All the elements of set A does not belongs to set B. A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A belongs to A. Is it A belongs to B? No. A. B belongs to A. Is it B belongs to B? No. C belongs to A. Is it C belongs to B? Yes. D belongs to A. D belongs to B? Yes. Only two. To represent in Venn diagram, this is main set, universal set, this is A, this is B, A, B. Okay. A minus B. A set ಏನಿದೆ? A, B, C. A, B, C, D. B set P. A minus B. A minus B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದವು? only two elements A comma B. Two elements ಇರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೈನ್. Two elements ಇರೋದು this part. That part is A minus B. Correct? A minus B only contains two elements A comma B. If you take B minus A, B minus A ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? B minus A means what? All the elements of B does not belong to A. B ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರದು. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? CD is there, only two elements PQ. So draw B minus A in Venn diagram. This is B minus A. B minus there only two elements. This is B minus A. Right? What is this? Intersect agayadalla CD intersect agayadalla. This is A intersection. Here students, this is A union B complete. A union B complete combination of both the sets. This is A intersection B. This is A minus B. That part is A minus B. B minus A. That part is B minus A. That middle portion is A intersection B. Correct? So based on these diagrams, now to prove this result, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A union B diagram, this is A intersection B diagram. To represent A minus B in Venn diagram, to represent B minus A in Venn diagram. Okay? Now this is A minus B, that shaded portion. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಈ ತರ ತೋರು. Now here this is a box A, B, that shaded portion is what? A minus B. That shaded portion is A minus B. Correct? This is A minus B. Okay? Take another one. A, B. Okay. That shaded portion is, ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That shaded portion is B minus A. Right? That shaded portion is A intersection. This is A minus B. This is B minus A. Alright? Now, based on those diagrams, to prove that result, ಈ result prove ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ? Very simple. Now take left hand side. LHS N of A union B is equal to, this is A union B. That part is A, second part is B, that middle part is A intersection B. Right, middle part is A intersection B. This same part ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is that part? that part is A minus B, and this part is that portion is B minus A. Look here, this is A minus B, middle is A intersection A, this is B minus A. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is that? A union B is complete shaded. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we can write A union B can be written as, we can write n of A minus B ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A, correct? A minus B plus A intersection B plus B minus A ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, complete that part A union B, right? So by using the diagram, A union B can be written as A minus B plus A intersection B plus that part, that shaded portion B minus A. ಮೂರು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು A union B, right? Now that is equal to n of A minus B. ನೋಡಿ A minus B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಾನೆ, ಹೀಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This is A minus B ಹೌದಾ? That part is A minus B ಹೌದಾ? This is A minus B, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ A ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. This is A minus B, correct, right? That is A minus B. This is A minus B. That part is ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇದು A intersection ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ B ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, B ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ A minus B ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ A minus B? A minus B ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? A minus B can be written as A intersection B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A intersection ಹೌದಾ? A intersection B ದಲ್ಲಿ A minus B ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A minus B can be written as, how to write? n of A. Take whole set A, whole set ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡ ನಮಗೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು A minus B ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು A ಸೆಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A ಸೆಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ? ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಯಾವುದು? A intersection B. ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? A minus B ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ A ಸೆಟ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂನ್. ಆ ಮೂನ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? A minus B. So we write n of A minus n of A intersection B. Correct? Take complete set A minus that intersection portion, eliminate. It will get A minus B. N of A minus B to n of A minus n of A intersection B. This is right as it is. N of A intersection B plus last term n of B minus C. Again same type. B minus C. This is B minus C. This is B minus C. That shaded portion is B minus C. This part take ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ B. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ B ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹೌದಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ B ಸೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ B, ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಸಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್, some part is intersect. Complete B set, that part is B minus A. ಹೌದಾ? That part is B minus A. Now B minus A ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? So take complete set B minus that intersect portion. ಇದೇನು intersect part ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. intersect portion ಯಾವುದು? A intersection. A intersection. Same type. n of B minus n of A intersection. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? See, observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Based on those diagrams, to prove first result, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now n of A union B, A union B can be written as A union B is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? First set n of a minus b that portion first ಯಾವ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಈ ತರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಡ್ it will become a union b n of a minus b plus n of a intersection b plus n of b minus more add but n of a minus b is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a minus that portion a intersection b it will become that a minus b plus n of a intersection b as it is. Similarly, n of b minus a is equal to n of b minus n of a intersection. Simplify minus n of a intersection b plus n of a intersection b cancel. That equals n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. That is equal to RHS. Here students, you correct time note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ n of a union b as you know that in the 10th standard I think you know the concept of probability ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ probability of a union b is equal to probability of a plus probability of b minus probability of a intersection same concept here also okay so remember that formula n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b just to remember that statement proof like this okay students now ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು okay that is most important ನಿಮ್ಮ reference this is not in the not asking the exam just to for your shape of knowledge isn't it so ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so first result n of a union b is equal to remember n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b this is the practical problems this is even formula use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು by using union and intersection of two sets using those two things now n of a union b is equal to therefore remember n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b remember most important formula ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಕೆ then one more result by taking here only two sets if you take three sets ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ what is this formula prove that n of a union b union c is equal to remember that formula n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of c intersection a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. This is the formula for take three sets ಇದ್ದಾಗ remember n of a union b union c is equal to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c or c intersection a plus n of a intersection b intersection c. Okay, now prove this. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Take LHS left hand side. LHS part is n of a union b union c. Now here a union b union c. Put b union c. ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಡು. Put b union c is equal to say alpha. Let alpha is equal to b union c. Put b union c is equal to alpha. How ಏನಾಯ್ತು it is in the form n of a union alpha. Correct? N of a union alpha. As you know that in previous result n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Instead of b is ಬದಲಿಗೆ alpha ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ n of a union alpha is equal to what is the formula? n of a plus n of b place ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ alpha minus n of A intersection alpha. Correct? Substitute the value. N of A plus N of alpha. What is alpha value? What is alpha value? B union C. Right? Minus N of A intersection alpha. Alpha value B union C. Correct? Alpha value is B union C. Okay. N of A plus N of alpha. Alpha value is B union C minus N of A intersection alpha. Alpha value is B union C. Right? Then simplify. That is N of A plus. Again, comparing this with this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ n of a union b ಅನ್ನೋದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ instead of a here the letter b instead of b here the letter c a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ b ಇದೆ b ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ c ಇದೆ what is this formula n of a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ b plus n of b place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ c minus n of a intersection b a place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ b intersection b place alle c correct minus n of a intersection b union c remove this open the bracket n of a intersection b union a intersection c open the bracket just like multiplication is done a intersection b union A intersection C. A intersection B union A intersection C. Remove that bracket. A intersection B union A intersection C. Right? Now that equals n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection B union A intersection C. Put A intersection B, call it as X, and A intersection C, call it as Y. Let X is equal to A intersection B, Y is equal to A intersection C. This is X and the word, this is Y and the word. Now here I do n of this is X union Y is equal to what is n of x union y instead of a and b x union y formula n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection 1 correct a body x is n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection 1 substitute the value n of x what is x a intersection 1 minus n as it is n of x union y is n of x plus n of y value is a intersection c minus n of x intersection y a intersection b intersection y value is a intersection c right huh? Then next step n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of b intersection c minus into bracket n of a intersection b as it is plus n of a intersection c as it is plus n of observe it a intersection b intersection a intersection c among those two what is common set a so this can be written as we can write a intersection b intersection c ಬರೀಬೋದಾ a in a is common take out set intersection b intersection c remove this bracket ಈ bracket open ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a intersection b intersection a intersection c correct a intersection b intersection a intersection c is equal to a comma a intersection of b intersection c remove this it will become same result How to remove? A intersection B intersection A intersection C. Right? So that is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of B intersection C. Remove that bracket. Bracket open ಮಾಡಿ minus n of A intersection B minus into plus minus n of A intersection C minus into minus plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Rearrange n of A plus n of B plus n of C. Rearrange minus n of take vector A intersection B minus take this term n of B intersection C minus n of next term A intersection C or C intersection A, both are same, plus n of A intersection B intersection C. That is equal to RHS. Is it right? So remember only statement. In prove ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, but for your knowledge purpose, so concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? But this is most important formula. Remember that formula. The formula must be negligible. N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Only 2 sets are given. Whereas 3 sets are given. N of A union B union C. N of B, cardinal number of A union B union C is equal to sum of 3 sets n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Just to remember at least formula. Okay, so in and note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಡವಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Students, remember the following important results. ನಿಮಗೆ CET ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, they will ask in CET problem solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So remember, as you know that complement of A union B is equal to union changes to intersection complement of A intersection complement of B. Whereas second one, complement of A intersection B is equal to intersection notation changes to union complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B. Whereas third one, A union its complement, A union complement of A is always universal set U, big set. Whereas fourth one, complement of A is equal to A, intersection of the set A and its complement, its intersection is disjoint, empty set. If you take the union ತಗೊಂಡ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ main set, big set, remember. Whereas sixth one, CET question, if A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Prove ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾವು, problem solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ in previous result, previous example ಅಲ್ಲಿ solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If A subset B, then A intersection B is equal to A. Suppose if B is subset of A, then A intersection B is equal to B. CET question, remember. Whereas n of A minus B in previous result, by using Venn diagram, n of A minus B is equal to n of complete set A minus intersection portion less it. Eliminate intersection part. So that n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Whereas interchange n of B minus A is equal to, again take complete set B minus that part, intersection part, n of B minus n of A intersection B. Then 10th one, most important, n of A union B is equal to, already proved, n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Using this, ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, using this n of A intersection B, rearrange n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B, that term goes to right side, minus n of A union B. Same, A union B ಇದ್ದಾಗ intersection ಬರುತ್ತೆ, A intersection B ಇದ್ದಾಗ union ಬರುತ್ತೆ, same term, right? Whereas n of cardinal number of three sets A union B union C, sum of three sets is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. So these are the important note. You must remember, practice it, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಡದ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, based on those results to solve the problems, word problems, value based problems. Each problem carries 3 marks in your question paper. Part C question, that is 3 mark question, very simple question. Now question number 1, first problem. What is that? If x and y are two sets, instead of A and B, here x and y are any two sets, such that its union x union y has how many elements? 50 elements. N of x union y, total number of x union y has how many elements? 50 elements. Then x has 28 elements. In the set x contains how many elements? 28 elements. And in the set y has 32 elements. In the set y contains how many elements? 32 elements. Now the question, how many elements does x intersection y? Notice x union y has some elements given, and x has some elements given, y has elements are given. Now you have to calculate x intersection y. How to solve? Very simple. Given data, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, x and y are two sets such that x union y has 50 elements. Given the number of elements in x union y, n of x union y is given 50. Correct? Then x contains 28 elements denoted by n of x is equal to 28. Y contains 32 elements which is denoted by n of y is equal to 32. Now the question, find how many elements does x intersection y. To calculate n of x intersection y, how much? That is the question. You know the formula. X intersection y, that is probably, that is note number 11. N of A intersection B instead of A and B. Here I term x and y. We know that WKT short form, that is read it as, we know that n of x intersection y is equal to n of A intersection B. Instead of A, here term x, instead of B, here term y. Replace A and B by x and y. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, n of x, correct, plus n of y, n of b, the limit y, minus n of A intersection B, x intersection y, right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n ಬಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Substituting the value. You know the value of n of x. What is n of x? How much? 28. What is n of y? 32. What is n of x intersection y? 50. Simplify. 28 plus 32. How much? I think 60. Correct? 10. 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 50, 50. Therefore, n of x intersection y. 60 minus 50. 10. So, total number of x intersection y. How many elements? 10 elements. 3 mark. Very simple problem. 3 mark question. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೋಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? So now to solve some more problems in next class. Okay students, thank you.